Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple and fun process: creating your own custom avatar on Facebook. This updated guide will walk you through each step, so let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once inside, look for the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of your screen. This is the menu icon. Tap on it. Next, scroll down through the options until you see Avatars. If it's not immediately visible, check under the See More section. Once you find it, tap on Avatars to proceed. Now comes the exciting part. Tap on Create Manually to start building your avatar from scratch. Here, you'll have the chance to personalize every detail. Start by selecting a skin tone that best represents you. Then move on to customizing features like hairstyle, face shape, eye color, and even accessories like glasses or hats. Take your time exploring all the options to make your avatar uniquely yours. Once you're happy with how your avatar looks, tap Save. This final step ensures all your customizations are stored and your avatar is ready to use across Facebook. Congratulations! You've just created a personalized digital version of yourself. You can now use your avatar in comments, stories, and even as stickers and chats. It's a great way to add a personal touch to your interactions on Facebook. That's all there is to it. Creating an avatar is quick, easy, and a lot of fun. Enjoy expressing yourself in a whole new way.